Hi friends, this is the 7th part of Unity 3D C# programming, and in this video part we will be talking about relational operators. Let's take an example of two numbers. Okay, let's take a variable called number 1 equals 20 and a number 2 equals 40. So whenever you have two numbers, there are three possibilities. There are three relations between them. Either both of the numbers will be equal, either the number 1 will be greater than number 2, or number 1 will be less than number 2. These are the three possibilities between two numbers, three relations between two numbers. And when we are making some games, we will be very often checking for values, of certain variables. Okay, we'll be comparing some values. Let's say if speed is greater than 30, we stop increasing the speed. Okay, so we will check for the speed. If we'll do it something like this, we'll learn about conditions later on, about how to make conditions in the next video parts. But in this video part we'll just learning about relational operators. So I will write some pseudocode and will explain it to you. Let's say if speed is greater than 30, stop increasing speed. Okay, this will be a statement like this in pseudocode. Okay, so here we used our relational operator. Let's say we use if speed equals 0, stop the car. Okay, so we used another relational operator to check for the speed of car. If it's exactly equal to 0, we'll stop the car. Okay, we don't want our car to keep moving. Okay, so you understand what is this greater than symbol? It is used to check whether the number 1 is greater than number 2. This less than symbol is used for to check if number 1 is less than number 2. This equal, this is actually assignment operator. Okay, when it's a single equal character, it is used to assign a value, just like we did here. We are assigned the number 20 to this variable. Okay, but if we are using to compare, if we are comparing two numbers, we'll be using double equal. Okay, so if we want to check if both of these numbers are equal, we'll be using equal two times. Okay, let's do it here. If if bullet hits player equals dead. Okay, so if bullet hits the player is equal to dead. How cruel it is. Anyways, that's how we compare two variables or two values. These this symbol is used to check whether number 1 or value 1 is greater than or equal to number 2, and we'll do something based on that. For example, if our car is running at let's say 30 miles per hour speed, and we'll check if the speed of our car is greater than or equal to 30 miles per hour, stop increasing speed. Okay, so we are combining equal and greater than, both of those two operators in this single statement. Okay, so this condition will be true for 30 and also for 31, 32, 33 up to so on. This condition will be true for 30 and 31, 32, 33 and so on. And this operator is the same. Okay, the only difference is we are using less than or equal to. If the value 1 is less than or equal to value 2, we do something. Okay, and the very last symbol is not equal to. So let's say we have a character and it is jumping around. Okay, whenever we hit space bar, it will jump. Okay, so we check for the character. If it's jumping, then we don't jump it again. Okay, or if it's not jumping, then jump, then allow user to jump. Okay, in this case we'll be using not equal to. If player state is not equal to jumping, then allow jumping. Okay, if player state is equal to jumping, then don't allow jumping, because player is already in jump state. So don't worry if it is confusing for you at this moment, because we are just imagining how this will be working. But when we will be coding these conditions by ourselves and we will write code, then it will make much more sense. And yeah, this was I think this is all about relational operators and relational operations, about how we do them, and what are the symbols used for to do them. Okay, so yeah, this will be all for this video part. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.